Can vastly different perspectives on faith, society, and politics find a shared understanding? In this compelling exchange, we dive into a debate between Will Witt and a progressive Muslim, a conversation designed to explore not just conflict, but also convergence. Step 1. Setting the stage. We begin by understanding the core of the dialogue. Why a commitment to respectful discourse across potentially opposing viewpoints. The aim isn't to declare a winner, but to illuminate the landscape of different beliefs and values. Step 2. Navigating the social landscape. The conversation immediately tackles contemporary social issues here. We witness Witt and his counterpart articulating their stances on topics like gender equality, social justice, and the role of faith in public life, drawing from their unique interpretations. Step 3. Unpacking religious interpretations. A crucial segment focuses on how faith itself is understood and applied. The progressive Muslim offers insights into a more contemporary, inclusive reading of religious texts and traditions, contrasting it with potentially more literal or traditional interpretations that might be more familiar. Step 4. Examining political ideologies. The debate then shifts to the political arena. We see how differing religious and social outlooks translate into distinct political perspectives, with discussions on governance, community, and the state's relationship with religion. Step 5. Seeking common ground. The most impactful part of this dialogue is the dedicated effort to find shared principles despite differences. The debaters actively search for areas of mutual respect, shared values, and common goals for society, demonstrating that understanding is possible even amidst disagreement. This is more than just a debate. It's a powerful demonstration of how dialogue can bridge divides, fostering a deeper appreciation for the diverse tapestry of human thought and belief. They explored, they questioned, and ultimately, they sought to connect.